The child is about to start school, right? Are you still worried about what stationery to prepare for the child's school season? Today's video will be really helpful because we offer some reference for you. Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm Dean. Today's video is gonna be a very inspirational episode for the parents who are distressed by not knowing what to buy for their kids' school season, because we leave some reference. So well, let's dive right into it. The very first thing is gonna be stainless steel water bottles, which are all made of high quality 304 stainless steel. There are temperature displays, carb cap, filters, and temperature display. Just let me illuminate them one by one. So here is the temperature display. How display? You just need to take here. The temperature will immediately show up, which can avoid the embarrassments of burning. And you can see here is a flip open lid. Flip open lid with a safety lock prevents the lid from opening accidentally. It has two different capacity. They are 320 milliliters and 450 milliliters. And here's there are three colors: pink, blue, and white. The next is carb cap water bottles. Here's a removable leak-proof inner plug. Bullet designs, full-grade inner plugs have excellent insulation and leak-proof performance. Press to open and repress to close. Easy to clean and keep hygienic. This stainless steel water bottle is equipped with a cute eco-friendly carb cap that can use as a cup for drinking. It features a carb handle so your kids can carry it around easily. By the way, it has two different capacity as well: 350 milliliters and 500 milliliters. And as you can see, there are three colors: pink, white, and blue. Okay, the next one is filter and temperature display type. Identically comes with temperature display that presses the top of the thermos softly. The temperature of water inside will be shown on display screen. Moreover, it is equipped with a removable infuser to fill the tea leaf and fruit residue, which can brew child favorite leaf tea and add fruit flavoring. It is super easy to use and makes kids drink a wide variety of beverages without having to carry a bunch of different cups and bottles. And you can see here, this one is glossy and this one is matte. Let children fall in love with drinking water because of the lovely water bottles. Then let me show you how to sublimate it. And because the printing procedures of all these water bottles are the same, so I will print one of them for demonstration. Okay, let's get it! The second one is mental pencil case right here. See, made of permeate mental material, durable for long-term use, not easy to get deformed. Besides, there's a huge space. See, huge space inside to store pencil, erasers, and other stationery. Most importantly, the round edges are smooth with seamless, which protect your kids from being pricked. There are two colors you can choose from, blue and pink. And I guess you must notice that right here, a wooden storage box, which is also nice product. And you can see it's very sturdy and durable with plenty of storage space. Not only can hold pens, but also other stationery like ruler, erasers. Lastly, let's sublimate it. The next thing I want to introduce is FDA food grade, BPA-free high-quality plastic kids lunchbox, environmentally friendly material. The material of this kids lunchbox also resists staining, making cleaning up a breeze. It's your children's daily lunchbox. And additionally, it can hold lots of food and is easy to carry. You can easily put the lunchbox for kids in their bags without worrying about food leaking. Two colors, blue and pink. Next is printing demonstration. Then you can see here the kids backpack. They are black, hot pink, blue and red that you can choose from. Here is a smooth and durable zipper. What's more, it has huge space for kids to bring books, pens, stationeries and other stuff. Well, right now just allow me to show you how to print it. I hope today's video can be helpful and useful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us and give a like.